The same apex predator that survived the extinction of dinosaurs is now trapped behind razor wire fences, moving through industrial kill lines that process over 2 million of these ancient beasts every single year. Behind razor wire fences and reinforced concrete walls, over 2 million crocodiles move through systematic production lines each year. But this isn't just about farming dangerous reptiles. Each crocodile hide can command prices reaching $15,000, transforming into iconic Hermès Birkin bags that sell for $300,000 to $450,000, while their meat sells for $40 per pound in luxury restaurants from Tokyo to New York. Behind the razor wire fences of these massive operations lies an intricate world where cutting-edge technology meets primal instincts, where a single mistake can cost lives, and where the transformation from fearsome predator to luxury commodity involves processes so complex they rival the aerospace industry. Today, we're taking you inside the hidden world of industrial crocodile farming, where millions of these ancient creatures are transformed into some of the world's most coveted materials. But before we dive into this dangerous, profitable, and absolutely fascinating industry, make sure to subscribe to Process Crate and hit that notification bell so you never miss our incredible behind-the-scenes content. Trust me, what you're about to see will blow your mind. Let's get started. The crocodile farming industry spans across 35 countries, with major production hubs in Thailand, Australia, South Africa, and the United States. These modern farms represent engineering marvels that can cover up to 200,000 square meters and house tens of thousands of crocodiles at various life stages. The scale of these operations is truly staggering. Large commercial farms can house over 100,000 crocodiles simultaneously, ranging from newborn hatchlings to mature breeding adults weighing over 200 kilograms. Modern crocodile farms employ sophisticated climate control systems, automated feeding mechanisms, and water filtration plants that process millions of liters daily. The engineering challenges are immense. Crocodile enclosures must be constructed with reinforced concrete walls at least 2 meters high, featuring smooth surfaces that prevent climbing while incorporating drainage systems capable of handling massive water volumes. Advanced monitoring systems track individual crocodile growth rates using RFID tag technology and computer databases that manage thousands of animals simultaneously. Crocodile farming is so profitable that a single breeding female can generate over $50,000 annually in offspring value, making these reptiles some of the most valuable livestock per kilogram in the world. The investment in infrastructure and technology is enormous, but the return on investment can exceed 200% annually for well-managed operations. The breeding season transforms these facilities into carefully orchestrated operations. Female crocodiles, some weighing over 400 pounds and measuring 12 feet in length, are monitored by teams of specialists who track their reproductive cycles with scientific precision. When the time is right, these massive females are guided into specially designed nesting areas that mimic their natural habitat preferences. The nesting zones consist of carefully prepared sand beds, temperature-controlled environments, and strategic vegetation placement. Each breeding female requires approximately 100 square meters of nesting space, and the most productive facilities maintain breeding stocks of over 5,000 females. During peak season, a single large facility can collect more than 200,000 eggs in just 4 months. But collecting these eggs requires extraordinary skill and nerve. Mother crocodiles become extremely territorial during nesting, and approaching a nest means facing down a 400-pound predator whose maternal instincts override any farm conditioning. Specialized collection teams use distraction techniques, protective equipment, and years of experience to safely extract eggs while the mothers are temporarily moved to holding areas. The eggs enter incubation facilities that operate with pharmaceutical-grade precision, maintaining exact temperatures of 31.5 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius and 92 to 95% humidity. Here's the fascinating part. Crocodile gender is determined entirely by temperature. At exactly 31.7 degrees Celsius, you get equal numbers of males and females. Even a 0.5 degrees Celsius variation can dramatically skew the ratio. Each egg is numbered, dated, and positioned in trays holding up to 200 eggs each. After 85 days of precise environmental control, distinctive chirping sounds signal the hatching process begins. With hatching rates exceeding 90%, a facility collecting 200,000 eggs will successfully produce over 180,000 baby crocodiles. Newly hatched crocodiles enter nursery facilities designed to maximize survival rates and growth speed. These climate-controlled environments maintain water temperatures of 28 to 30 degrees Celsius and are equipped with filtration systems that process thousands of gallons per hour. The nurseries are divided into sections housing 500 to 1,000 babies each, with continuous monitoring for health, feeding response, and growth rates. The feeding regimen in these nurseries is scientifically calculated. Baby crocodiles receive high-protein diets consisting of processed fish, chicken parts, and specialized nutritional supplements. Each crocodile consumes approximately 8 to 10% of its body weight daily during this rapid growth phase. Feeding schedules are maintained every 6 hours to support the accelerated metabolism required for industrial production timelines. Growth monitoring involves weekly weighing and measuring of sample populations. The target growth rate is 2 to 3 centimeters per month during the first year. Crocodiles that fall below growth targets are separated into different feeding groups or receive veterinary attention to identify health issues that could impact final product quality. The nursery phase lasts 12 to 18 months, during which time the crocodiles grow from 25-centimeter hatchlings to juveniles measuring 80 to 100 centimeters. At this size, they're ready for transfer to the fattening facilities where they'll spend the next 2 to 3 years reaching commercial harvest size. The fattening phase represents the most intensive investment in crocodile farming. Juvenile crocodiles move to large concrete enclosures with heating systems and automated feeding mechanisms. These facilities house 10,000 to 15,000 crocodiles simultaneously, with each animal allocated specific space based on size projections. Feeding strategies shift to optimize meat quality and skin characteristics. The diet incorporates whole fish, poultry byproducts, and vitamin supplements for skin elasticity. Feeding reduces to every 2 to 3 days, but portion sizes increase significantly as crocodiles reach 40 to 60 kilograms. Temperature management becomes critical. Facilities maintain water temperatures of 26 to 28 degrees Celsius and air temperatures of 28 to 32 degrees Celsius. Stress reduction is essential because stressed crocodiles develop skin imperfections that dramatically reduce hide values. When crocodiles reach optimal size, 1.5 to 1.8 meters and 50 to 70 kilograms, they enter pre-harvest selection. This involves careful skin quality assessments and health evaluations. Premium quality crocodiles with uniform scale patterns and no defects are classified for luxury leather production, while those with minor imperfections go to standard processing. Transportation requires specialized climate-controlled trucks with hydraulic lifting systems. Before processing, crocodiles undergo final veterinary inspections to ensure only healthy animals enter the food production chain. Modern processing facilities operate like automotive assembly lines, processing 500 to 800 crocodiles daily. The process begins with humane electrical stunning systems calibrated for crocodile physiology, rendering them unconscious within seconds. Following stunning automated systems maintain precise timing for bleeding procedures completed within strict timeframes for meat quality. Specialized cutting tools designed for crocodile anatomy maximize yield from each carcass. Quality control inspectors monitor every stage, documenting temperature logs and visual inspections for traceability. Hide removal represents the most valuable operation in crocodile processing. Skilled technicians use surgical-grade tools with extraordinary precision. A single misplaced cut can reduce hide value by thousands of dollars. The belly cut method preserves the most valuable belly scales that become luxury handbag centerpieces. These distinctive rectangular scales with soft texture make crocodile leather highly prized in fashion markets. After removal, hides undergo immediate preservation with high-pressure cleaning and salt treatment or rapid freezing. They're then graded into premium, 30 to 40% of production, standard, 40 to 50%, and lower value categories based on scale patterns and defects. The transformation of raw crocodile hide into luxury leather involves complex chemical processes that can take 3 to 4 weeks to complete. Specialized tanneries equipped with precise chemical mixing systems, temperature-controlled soaking tanks, and automated processing equipment handle thousands of hides simultaneously while maintaining exacting quality standards. The hides are placed in rotating drums containing carefully formulated solutions that soften the skin and prepare it for tanning agents. Chrome tanning, the most common method, involves precise chemical concentrations and timing to achieve the desired flexibility and durability. Hides undergo shaving processes that reduce them to uniform thickness, typically 1.0 to 1.2 millimeters for luxury applications. This requires specialized machinery capable of processing the unique characteristics of crocodile skin while maintaining the integrity of the scale patterns that give the leather its distinctive appearance. The finishing processes involve dyeing, polishing, and protective treatments that prepare the leather for manufacturing. Luxury fashion houses specify exact color requirements, surface textures, and finishing characteristics. Some hides receive hand-finishing treatments that can add weeks to the processing timeline, but result in leather that commands premium prices in global markets. Crocodile meat represents a significant revenue stream for processing facilities. The meat processing operation runs parallel to hide removal, with specialized equipment designed to maximize yield from each carcass. Modern facilities can process the meat from 500 crocodiles daily, producing thousands of pounds of premium protein products. Crocodile meat is prized for its unique characteristics. It's lean, high in protein, and has a distinctive flavor that combines elements of chicken and fish. The tail section, representing approximately 40% of usable meat, commands the highest prices due to its tender texture and premium presentation. Other cuts include backstraps, leg meat, and processed products like sausages and ground meat. The meat processing areas operate under strict food safety protocols equivalent to those used in premium beef or poultry facilities. Temperature control, sanitation procedures, and quality inspections ensure that all meat products meet international food safety standards. Rapid cooling systems bring meat temperatures to safe storage levels within hours of processing. Distribution networks for crocodile meat span global markets, with major demand centers in Asia, Australia, and specialty restaurants worldwide. The meat is vacuum sealed, labeled for traceability, and shipped in refrigerated containers that maintain precise temperature control throughout international transport networks. From breeding facilities housing tens of thousands of crocodiles to precision processing plants that transform these prehistoric predators into luxury commodities, the modern crocodile farming industry represents one of agriculture's most sophisticated operations. The scale is staggering. Millions of crocodiles moving through systematic production processes that generate billions in economic value while meeting the global demand for luxury leather and exotic meat. This industry continues expanding as demand for authentic crocodile leather grows in luxury fashion markets and crocodile meat gains popularity in high-end restaurants worldwide. The precision, scale, and economic impact of these operations demonstrate how traditional farming has evolved into highly technical industrial processes that bridge the gap between ancient species and modern consumer demands. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of industrial crocodile farming. If you found this behind-the-scenes look fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Process Crate for more incredible industrial processes from around the world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest content, and let us know in the comments, what industrial process would you like us to explore next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.